Yo, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If y'all can help me, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you guys haven't watched my old videos, any of my videos, it only counts if you haven't seen the videos. So if you guys haven't seen any of my videos, you guys have just played in the background. It'll help me out tremendously. Share my videos, like it. And also, if you guys want to have your comment put it on my shown on my video like this, all you guys gotta do is comment on my latest video. Usually by like Tuesday is the latest. I try to put all my videos out on Sunday, so by Tuesday is when I get like the last of the comments, and then I'll put them in my video. But as for today, guys, I'm just gonna go out there, guys. I'm gonna try catching any fish, any small little bluegill, any hopefully maybe a catfish, a carp, bass. I'm using a night crawler, so those catch everything. So I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna hopefully catch multi-species today, guys. That's all basically I'm going after. Hopefully we get on them. Stay tuned. Going down. Dang, guys, it's starting to get cold now, man. I'm in the shade and it's cold. I just saw a little fish swim by, guys. Looked like a bluegill. Not 100% sure what it was. Oh, look, there's, I don't know if you guys can see it in the water. There's a crawdad right there. I wonder if I can catch that guy. There he goes. I think he's going to it. I think he's on top of it. Yeah. Look, he was. Good. Hey, what's going on? I was telling my wife, I was like, hey, I think that's Angel over there.
And she was like, "Are you seeing obsessed with dollars lures?" I was like, "Bro, don't do this bad." His dad put me onto some sauce, and then I let go of it. How you been, pops?
Good. How you been, brother?
Good.
What are you doing with the cone? I saw you and I was thinking, I think it's a construction worker.
I didn't bring anything to like hold my water.
Oh. Check that out, guys. Caught a little dink. I saw this guy too. Nah, he was just right there. He was chilling right there in the where it's deep. Oh, right there where he was. There you go. Look at that Angel. What'd you catch him on? Yeah, because these are pure dinks. I feel like Angel caught another one. You're on top of my line. No, no, you're good. I just don't want you to think you got a fish.
Oh,
I got bit, yo.
oh no, he didn't.
Angel, I got bit right now. That was a quick release, buddy. Quick release. I just saw two right there, guys. Let me see if I can catch them. Oh, damn, yo, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them right here. They're swimming your way. Oh, damn, this is the biggest one I've caught today. Hold on, guys. Right in the nostril. Have to get really close, guys, to make it look like a 10-pounder. All right, then, brother.
Yeah, we'll see you again.
Yes, sir. All right, then, brother. Just one angel left. See if I can boat flip this guy right here. Yes. Yes, I could. Well, Angel, hopefully you come back, buddy. Get you on some. I'm gonna go to another spot, the spot that I was telling Angel. Let me see if I can catch him there. I like it when the reel stops because they're really like just stuck there. Not really stuck there, but yeah. And the water is a lot clearer. But I still should get bit there. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna slap on a worm, especially since I'm using a night crawler. And hopefully I get on some, guys. See y'all there in a sec. That's the only thing about this, guys, is fishing got water every now and again. But let's check it out, guys. Let's see what we do. I like it better when it's the Rio Grande doesn't, because look, it feeds into the Rio Grande. I like it better when it doesn't reach like the Rio Grande, because when it's low, it'll stop like right here, right around this area. I have a video of it, and yeah, so the fish, it clears up a lot. Like you can literally see to the bottom, so you can see a lot of fish. They're small, but I'm hoping like this, since it is connecting to the Rio Grande, that the fish will, because the bass don't like moving current like that, like a lot of it, so they'll like set up in points just to ambush, like this corner over here and over there. And the fish that are coming in to get away from all the current, they'll ambush them. It looks kind of like this, guys. There's a lot of minnows over there. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'll start off here then. Get my rod. Ooh, guys, let me tell you, it stinks, man. Well, it's the water plant, so I mean the sewer, but it stinks. I just caught a fish caught me. Got this little hook, guys. Yeah, I should get bit. Look at this nice looking guy. Whoops. Hopefully you guys saw him. The quick release. Pretty sure I'm not catching the same bluegill over and over. Panfish or sunfish or whatever they're called. What is this? Another one. So I gotta use them small hooks. Look at how little this guy is. These are them bait stealers, man. This guy's really nice looking. Look at that fluorescent right here. It's a beautiful little fish. Look at this one. Oh man, this guy ate it. Let me swim off, guys. I don't know how I was able to do that. Oh, he didn't even feel this guy. Another quick release. There's like a little piece left, guys. Hey, look at this, guys. The baby bass. Oh, oh, oh. Chill, bro. Chill. I'm gonna let you go, bro. Chill, bro. I'm gonna let you go, bro.
Relax. I just want to take some pictures.
Little baby bass. This is good for a tank. We had a fish tank, but it's illegal to take it because it's under 14 inches, but it's a good size for a tank. Buddy, I think I already caught you. You gotta chill with all that chewing, buddy. Nice looking guy. Tell me what you guys saw under there. Pull off my camera. What I need to do next? So I need to tie this thing. I don't know if you guys can see under there. I guess when I get home, I'll check it out. If you guys can see under there, then I'll strap my GoPro onto a rod and see if you guys what you guys can see or what I can see. Easy as that, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I thank y'all so much for staying all the way till the end. Now, it was a pretty successful day. I didn't catch any big ends, but I mean, I was hoping that if I did, I did. But I was really going after the little panfish, little fish, just to get bit. Um, it's fun for the kids, me, even. I just like getting bit, so no matter the size, I prefer big ones. But in all honesty, tug of the line gets your heart racing. But yeah, it was an overall a good day. I did catch a bass, a couple of panfish. I don't know how to tell them apart, guys. I don't know if you guys know how to tell them apart. I have no idea. There's like so many species of panfish or bluegills. I don't know how to tell them all apart. Yeah, they're really beautiful fish. But yeah, thank you guys. And if you guys can, stay tuned. Watch my next video after this. My watch hours, I need 4,000. And I'm at 2,000 something. So if If you guys can help me out like that, I'll greatly appreciate it. And huge shout out to Angel, man. Saw Angel out there. I thought he was a worker. 'Cause I saw him walking with a cone and I thought he was a worker, but he was using the cone to hold up his rod. Smart thinking. But yo, huge shout out to Angel, man. Love fishing with you guys. It was just a coincidence that I ran into him, but yo, love fishing with you guys, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Love y'all. God bless. To the next.